The Chernobyl disaster, a catastrophic nuclear accident, unfolded in Ukraine on April 26, 1986. The explosion at the Chernobyl nuclear power plant released massive amounts of radioactive material into the atmosphere. It was a pivotal moment in human history, highlighting the devastating potential of nuclear energy. The tragedy unfolded against the backdrop of the Cold War, a period of intense geopolitical rivalry between the United States and the Soviet Union. Adding to the complexity of the event, numerous reports emerged of unusual lights and unidentified flying objects, or UFOs, observed near the power plant around the time of the explosion. These reports, often from credible eyewitnesses like firefighters and military personnel, described objects maneuvering in ways that defied conventional aircraft capabilities. Some accounts even suggested that these unidentified objects played a role in mitigating the disaster's impact. The presence of these unexplained phenomena ignited speculation and debate, raising questions about the possibility of extraterrestrial involvement in this major human catastrophe. Could advanced civilizations from beyond Earth have taken an interest in preventing a larger nuclear disaster? The combination of a nuclear meltdown and unexplained aerial phenomena created a perfect storm of fear, intrigue, and uncertainty. The Chernobyl incident, already a tragedy of immense proportions, became entangled with the enduring mystery of UFOs. Even today, decades after the disaster, the questions surrounding those unexplained lights linger. They serve as a reminder of the vast unknowns that exist beyond our understanding, even as we grapple with the tangible consequences of our own technological missteps. The reports of UFO sightings at Chernobyl are as intriguing as they are controversial. Some theories suggest that extraterrestrial beings might have intervened to mitigate the disaster's effects. These claims, while captivating, are often based on anecdotal evidence and lack concrete scientific backing. The absence of conclusive proof makes it difficult to separate genuine observations from misinterpretations or fabrications, particularly in a climate of heightened anxiety and Cold War paranoia. However, the sheer volume and consistency of eyewitness accounts, many from individuals with technical expertise, warrant further investigation. Some witnesses describe seeing large luminous objects hovering near the damaged reactor. Others reported beams of light directed towards the plant, possibly indicating an attempt to contain the radiation leak. These testimonies, though difficult to verify, fuel the speculation that forces beyond human comprehension might have been involved. Despite the lack of definitive proof, the possibility of extraterrestrial intervention at Chernobyl remains a subject of intense debate. Skeptics argue that the sightings can be attributed to misidentified aircraft, atmospheric phenomena, or stress-induced hallucinations. Proponents of the intervention theory, however, maintain that the conventional explanations fail to account for the unusual behavior and capabilities attributed to the observed objects. The lack of a conclusive explanation leaves room for both scientific inquiry and imaginative speculation. The Chernobyl disaster, already a global event of significant magnitude, took on a new dimension with the added layer of UFO sightings. The Cold War, with its atmosphere of secrecy and suspicion, further complicated the situation. Both the United States and the Soviet Union, already engaged in an arms race and ideological conflict, were acutely aware of the potential threat posed by unexplained aerial phenomena. Each side closely monitored the other's activities, fearing technological advancements or covert operations that could disrupt the delicate balance of power. The reports of UFOs at Chernobyl added yet another layer of uncertainty to this already tense global landscape. Did these unexplained events signify a new player in the geopolitical arena, one with potentially superior technology and unknown motives? Could this be a sign of extraterrestrial involvement in human affairs, and if so, what were their intentions? These questions haunted the corridors of power, prompting secret investigations and fueling anxieties about the true nature and extent of the threat. The potential for extraterrestrial involvement in human affairs, particularly in a high-stakes situation like Chernobyl, challenged existing geopolitical frameworks. Governments were forced to grapple with the possibility of forces beyond their control, possessing capabilities that dwarf their own. The need to understand and potentially engage with these unknown entities became a pressing concern, albeit one shrouded in secrecy. The Chernobyl incident therefore served as a catalyst for a new kind of strategic thinking, one that had to account for the potential impact of extraterrestrial factors on global affairs. Decades after Chernobyl, the world faces a new set of challenges. Climate change, global pandemics, and resource scarcity threaten the delicate balance of our planet. These crises demand global cooperation and innovative solutions to avert catastrophe. As we confront these existential threats, the question of extraterrestrial involvement in human affairs takes on renewed significance. Could advanced civilizations be observing our struggles, perhaps even offering subtle guidance or intervention? The possibility, however remote, sparks intriguing questions. If extraterrestrial beings have been monitoring our planet for millennia, they've likely witnessed humanity's repeated cycles of conflict and environmental mismanagement. Have they learned from our mistakes? And could they offer insights to help us navigate our current predicament? The absence of overt contact doesn't negate the possibility of subtle influence or indirect assistance. Some theorists speculate that extraterrestrial civilizations might be engaging in subtle forms of intervention, perhaps by nudging us towards sustainable practices or fostering global cooperation. This could manifest as subtle technological advancements, inspired insights, or even subconscious nudges towards collective action. While concrete evidence remains elusive, the possibility of unseen guidance from advanced beings offers a glimmer of hope in the face of daunting global challenges. The events at Chernobyl, regardless of the presence or absence of extraterrestrial intervention, serve as a stark reminder of humanity's vulnerability and the interconnectedness of our world. They also invite us to reimagine our place in the cosmos. If advanced civilizations exist, and if they're observing our progress, what does it say about our role in the larger cosmic narrative? Are we a species on the cusp of self-destruction, or one capable of learning from our mistakes and embracing a more sustainable future. The possibility of extraterrestrial contact, even indirect, challenges our anthropocentric worldview and encourages us to consider our planet as part of a larger, interconnected system. It invites us to transcend our differences and work together as a species to address global challenges. The prospect of joining a galactic community, however distant, offers a powerful incentive to overcome our divisions and strive for a more peaceful and sustainable future. In the end, whether or not extraterrestrial beings played a role at Chernobyl, the event serves as a potent symbol of humanity's capacity for both destruction and resilience. It underscores the importance of responsible stewardship of our planet and the need to transcend our differences in the face of global challenges. Perhaps by working together to solve our own problems, we can prove ourselves worthy of joining a larger cosmic community. The future, though uncertain, holds the potential for a new era of human understanding and cooperation, one that recognizes our interconnectedness with the universe and all its inhabitants, both known and unknown.